Hey everyone, it's Kayla with Stamping Before Anything Else. Today we're going to make a little note card. What you need is the butterfly duet punch, the butterfly gala stamp set. You need some Coastal Cabana paper cut at 6 inches by 3 inches, scored at 3 inches right down the center. A piece of Whisper White that's 2 7/8 by 2 7/8, scrap piece of Whisper White, the petal pink metallic edge ribbon, some Mango Melody and Coastal Cabana ink, some Stampin' Blocks for all of your stamps, and then some Whisper White 3 by 3 envelopes. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to stamp our butterflies in whatever pattern you want. There's 3 different patterns you can choose, 4 different patterns you can choose from to design your butterfly. So you're going to stamp the design in Mango Melody. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your butterfly duet punch and you're going to punch out the butterflies. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to stamp their little bodies onto the butterflies, and I do this after because I like to make sure that I can fit the whole body on the piece of paper and not risk it being punched out by the punch. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the butterflies and I'm going to slightly curl up their wings so it adds a little bit of a 3-dimensional look. I'm going to use a glue dot to adhere the smaller butterfly right into the center of the bigger butterfly. Then I'm going to take my 2 7/8 by 2 7/8 Whisper White paper and I'm going to put my butterfly right on it just to give me an idea of where I want it at. I am noting that I'm going to put a little sentiment right at the bottom, so I want to put it a little bit just to the top. And then I'm going to take the Mango Melody again, and I'm going to stamp the antennas right on the cardstock. And then this is where my butterfly will go. Before I adhere my butterfly to the cardstock, I'm going to put some ribbon right behind it. This is the petal pink metallic edge ribbon. I'm just going to cut some right down so it fits right in the middle. I'm going to use some glue dots again to hold the ribbon in place. I just find that it holds a little bit easier with glue dots instead of snail adhesive. And same with my butterfly. Now that I have my butterfly on the cardstock, I'm going to take Coastal Cabana ink and I'm going to take the saying a little note. It does not look like this. This stamp is just really loved. It normally is the clear photopolymer. We just haven't cleaned it. So we'll go ahead and stamp that. Coastal Cabana. We're going to adhere the butterfly and cardstock to our 3 by 6 Coastal Cabana card base. And there you have it. This is a cute little card that you can make. Another thing that I'd like to do to add a little bit more shimmer to the card is I like to take a little bit of alcohol and the champagne shimmer mist paint and combine it together, shake it up in one of our spritzers, and then spray it on the card. So this is what it looks like after you have finished it. You can use any color combination that you would like. I did case this from the catalog, used some different colors, but I still think it was like a little nice way to mix things up instead of doing your traditional card size. These do fit in the 3 by 3 Whisper White envelopes. The dimensions of the cardstocks are 1/8 of an inch bigger, so it does fit perfectly inside of these, so you could still ship it in the mail and send it to loved ones. I hope you enjoyed this card. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Also make sure to subscribe to our channel for more projects. We do videos every Monday to show you how to make a quick card in 5 minutes. Measurements for this card will be up on our blog, which is in the description of the video. Thanks. Bye.